Immediately. We will go from this one, we'll come back from the same way. There's no more way, only one way.
Only one way.
But there are 4 gates on one way, one by one. The third gate. It's called Ganesh Fort. Ganesh is the god in Hindu religion when we are going to start any kind of work.
Yeah.
Each gate is situated on a sharp curved turn. They used elephant to block the road. Elephant runs fast, hit the road, but there is no space. Elephant cannot make the run. Yeah, and if elephant start from the downstairs, when he turn, he lose the speed. He cannot hit the firstly, and there was spears on the door. When elephant
So pretty.
the balcony over here is beautifully carved and smartly shifted. It's come
They
with
make
this
that.
one. So this is original camel bone.
Interesting.
This is camel powder. Powder and resin.
Heavy? Still quite heavy. Okay.
Yes, see.
Ah.
It's all shine. Why the people they used to sit on this?
And become so smooth, huh?
Yes.
All the things you can
Thank you. Oh yeah, concentration to make it. Jai Gopal! This was the King's Palace, Queen Palace, and that was the Prince Palace. After a certain age, they kept them separate from their mothers, from the parents, because they want to make them brave warriors, to make them self-dependent.
Good morning. Nice to meet you. Tiger bomb. You clinic. Cigarette.
All the people here, they are living, this is their own property.
Ah.
But income source is tourists. Those they convert in hotel, guest houses, and shopping
I
malls.
will get this one away from the cable. So
These
what
are
just?
the Jain temples.
Oh, this is the Jain
Yeah,
temple.
there are 7 Jain temples in one complex.
Oh.
So this one also, this one also. So Jain
So-
community, yeah, please.
So if we want to go, then maybe we should start from here, right? So if
Yes.
this is the first one. Okay.
Now oldest one is in the corner, but
This
we can start
I
from
think you
here.
need yeah, the ticket is right here. 500 for both. I'm sorry. He's trying to take picture.
Water bottle, shoes.
Say. Wow.
Yeah, this is all hand carved. Because when they built that time, there was no any machine, there was no any electricity. All manual hand work. And see the work here. From the bottom, back side it does this. It's like a 3D art.
Wow.
Jaisalmer is a town with a very rich architecture.
Wow.
The architecture is also good for the people
incredible.
that comes to learn about
Please,
architecture.
please come here.
here. There's a feet here, so I don't know what that means. But do that again. Then you're supposed to do 3 times. Why did they put a bottle hanging? The bottle?
Actually, it's to pigeon.
Oh, to feed the pigeon?
They make the top.
Oh, to scare the pigeon. They're very smart. Oh, they put something in. It's wire, actually.
Men cannot see the face. Women, they see the face. So that's why the balcony is little bit low.
Interesting.
And then you can look inside the nice balcony. They use 1 kilogram of the gold. 1 kilo of the gold to build the painting in this art here. And this is a photo of the two brothers who built the house. They are the two architects in the house. Like with photography here, you can take picture also.
Do you guys know everybody here? Almost everybody here? Almost. don't think he likes you very much. No, I'm just saying. The camera is growling.
Young. Young, that's the
Yeah. I think it's nice. So quiet. I buy something there. Okay?